I gotta do a goodbye forever.
Am I done yet? When do I get to stop?
I was just gonna see how long you sit there.
Forever. I'm so tired. Come on. The energy's leaving my body.
Hey everybody, and welcome back to another edition of Mother vs. Daughter
Sephora Play Edition.
The last one ever!
I like that we did that so great. I didn't even know it was the last one ever until literally not even 5 minutes ago.
When we filmed our Ipsy, which you guys would have seen. Still in my PJs, rocking my best quarantine, self-quarantine life. So, anywho, today's video, I'm sad to announce, is the last ever Sephora Play unboxing on our channel. You guys know this is where Haley and I put our Sephora Plays up against each other. Sephora Play is no more, but this is the last one, and it was $10. Haley, by the way, does have a YouTube channel. Check my description box down below. She's already going through the box, so let's just go ahead and jump in.
I just want to point out the fact that they gave us stickers, and I love stickers.
Really
I never
cute.
use them, but I collect them and I keep them. And I used to have a shoebox of stickers in my closet when I was a kid, and my dad threw them away, and then I was sad.
He did?
Yes, he did. He did when I was a kid, when I was like 8, and I was so mad.
Yeah.
He was like, "We're on to divorce me. That's it. Throw
Wait.
Haley's stickers away."
Cut that part out.
What? They know you were married to my dad.
I know, but like, that sounds horrible.
That's what he did. Just zoom into my face and put like question marks, like Haley actually figuring out why her dad threw her stickers away. Anyways, I love stickers, and I also like those wash off tattoos, like, you know, the temporary tattoos.
I cannot
collect
stand
those
those.
too. I have them, a lot of them. I collect them. And
I was
never do
always
anything
scared there
with
was
them.
poison in them.
Oh,
So
stickers.
go ahead and jump into your first thing. This better be like the bestest Sephora Play bag ever.
I really need to end it with a bang. This is my first item. It's a makeup eraser.
Well, wow.
I know.
That better not be an itty bitty little
It
tea.
is.
Like
I have one. It's like a little...
No.
Ah!
Oh.
I thought it was gonna be like at least the size of a pad.
What's the point of that? Like your eyeball? I guess it'll work.
What? I have one that's like that size, and it like rolls up like this, and it rolls out like that. It's like, I mean,
Bo is right behind the camera, guys. So
2, 4, 5,
I don't know.
6, 7.
I hope I didn't get
of
that.
these will fit on my face. That's cool.
I mean, I
Good
hear
for
they
someone.
work.
Yeah, but the water doesn't go into them automatically. You gotta like wait. It's resistant.
So my first item is the Mega Mushroom Relief and Resilient Smoothing Treatment Lotion by Origins, which I don't feel like a lot of people talk about Origins anymore. I love their charcoal clay mask.
What is this?
She has sidetracked me. Okay, go ahead.
This is the Amika Soul Food Nourishing Mask for your hair. I need it. Hello, in case you didn't see the Ipsy,
She's in a process.
I'm blonde. Okay.
Ooh, so my next item is by IT Cosmetics. It's called the Secret Sauce. I don't really know what this is. It instantly hydrates and transforms your skin. I don't know. It's...
IT Cosmetics has these kind of bottles.
Oh, yeah. That was so dramatic. They do. I mean, that's at least 1 or 2 uses, maybe.
Yeah, it's like they think it's like, oh yes, this is the size of a sample. Then you flip it and it's like a little bowl. And it's like, just kidding.
Have you guys tried this though by IT Cosmetics? Is it worth it? Because a lot of stores, not just Sephora, but like individual makeup stores are having like 30% off, 25%. Neiman Marcus just had a huge sale on their stuff, and I'm like, stop it.
So my next item is the Belief Moisturizing Eye Balm, and it's one of the little secret containers that you don't get as much.
They fool you. I keep hearing really good things about that Belief. Oh, that's a good amount though.
Yeah, it is full all the way to the top. So
That's
I like eye creams. They've been
oh yay! I got one too.
Yay!
Oh, mine is not shut all the way. It's the eye balm. Okay.
Ooh.
Do you think a machine fills these up and then turns the lid on them, or do you think? Yeah.
I feel like a machine at least fills them up.
Yeah, do you think people screw the lid on?
I don't know. I've never been in a factory for face products.
Same.
I wish though. I'd love to go to a makeup factory. I'd like to go into a Jeffree Star's factory.
I know, me too. And ColourPop. I'd like to go into ColourPops too. ColourPop.
I want to go to Lush so bad. I've seen other YouTubers go into Lush and I'm like,
I'm not feeling Lush, but I definitely went in ColourPop and Jeffree Star's.
Always feeling Lush. My next item is this Clinique Pop Splash. Wow, this looks like a plus I have.
Pretty. Because I think it's pretty because it's not going to be crazy opaque. Yes, that's what I like. Okay, so it's a really gloss, no scent, but it's really sheer. It's really pretty. Oh my god, I'm having a throwback. No, you can have it. It's yours. And it has, I feel like it's Clinique. I'm like,
it is Clinique.
Going back to my high school days when I went to the Clinique
color
counter.
Rose Water Pop.
It's really pretty. I like it. Okay, so my next item is the Verb Ghost Shampoo and Conditioner little doodads, which will just probably be given to you. But I've heard really good things about this. Maybe I'll keep it to try it out. Ooh, I like that.
I want to go to Florida.
Me too. Okay, what's your next item?
Sunscreen. I want to go to Florida. It's the Shiseido Ultimate Sun Protector Lotion 50+, and it says it's a synchro sealed with wet force and heat force, and it turns invisible, broad spectrum, SPF 50 for face and body, and it's water resistant for up to 80 minutes, and it's sunscreen.
I took that to Florida when we flew. Works really good. I liked it. It didn't break me out. So my last item is by Benefit. It's the Real Mascara Cutesy Little Mini. I like mascara, so I'm always down to get some of that. Okay, yours?
My last item is the Fresh Soy Face Cleaner for all skin types, and it's rich in amino acids and it gently cleans the face and the eyes.
I always hear good things. I still haven't tried mine out yet. So what are your thoughts on your bag?
I wish... 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got 6 things. Don't we normally get 6 things?
Wait, you got 6 things?
Yes.
What am I missing? I got 5. You cannot be counting this as a tour.
Oh my god.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
1, 2, 3.
Oh yeah, I could
6.
read mine.
Wait. You're missing something.
I didn't get my lippy stick.
That's so rude.
Wow.
Sephora leaving a bad taste in your mouth.
So the last item I was supposed to get was by Benefit, and it was a lipstick.
And that looks like really your color.
It really kind of does. Like if it went on sheer.
Be like, send me my lipstick.
Honestly, in all the years that I've gotten Sephora Play, I've never had them forget anything.
Yeah.
Ever.
Yeah.
That's really odd. That's a bummer. Well, I mean, I like my stuff, but I'm a little sad because I feel like if this is going to be the last box ever from Sephora Play,
they should have given us one full-size thing, and that's
like knock my socks off. Give me a Huda. Like, remember that time you got the full-size Huda lipstick? I was ticked.
That was in my Sephora?
Yeah.
I could have sworn that was in an Ipsy.
No, I don't think so. I think it was in a Sephora, and then I was like, and everyone's like, that mom is so salty.
Yeah, I do remember that though.
Dude, I got so much crap for that. It could have been an Ipsy. I don't know, PTSD. It was just too much. So, I don't know. I'm sad. I'm hopeful that maybe they're coming out with something bigger and better, possibly. Because I like being able to get the bougie products. That's what I really liked about Sephora, because with Sephora you knew you were going to be getting high-end, expensive, maybe and luxury products.
What I liked about Sephora is then even when we would get sample, like obviously it's all samples, but when we would get stuff, you know that you can always go to the Sephora website if you really liked it to order. Where Ipsy, it's like some of these are like little indie brands, so you got to kind of hunt them down to find them.
I'm gonna miss it.
You can do the Ipsy website, but why?
Well, let us know down below. What are your thoughts? Do you think Sephora is going to be coming out with a different subscription service? Maybe one that is the same price range, only better, bigger products? I don't know, because when you look at like Ipsy is bringing us decent stuff, but at the same time, it's not always high-end luxury, or I don't know. So let us know down below what you guys' thoughts are. If you guys did receive the Sephora Play bag for April, did you receive all of your items in your bag? Did they forget one? I don't know. If you guys know of any other subscriptions out there that you'd like us to maybe look into unboxing here on my channel, let me know down below on that as well. Don't forget to check my description box down below for Hailey's channel to check her out, as well as there is a giveaway going on our channel right now as well. I will try and pin that in the comment section below for you guys. Don't forget to follow me over on TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter. You're TikTok too? Or no?
TikTok told me that I'm iron deficient.
Oh.
If you take a ring,
Oh, mine's done that forever.
a regular ring, and you rub it on your forehead, I have makeup on, so I'm not going to do it. And your forehead.
I could do it on my hand.
What?
Yeah.
Well, I was iron fish. I was
Grammar. Yeah, it's turning.
I was iron deficient this morning.
You still are. I used to like write. Did
Well-
you guys do that in school?
I didn't know that.
I
thought it
would
was just
write,
your
but like,
forehead.
hi.
I'm not.
Bo, you're a little iron deficient.
He doesn't appear to be. Okay, guys, let's hop off.
He was yesterday.
No, but
Anyways, follow us over on TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter. What's your TikTok?
At LOVHAILEY.
L-O-B.
Love without the E. Hailey.
Okay. Hailey, H-A-I-L-E-Y. Yeah,
That's how I spell my name.
I know. I came up with
You
that.
asked me to spell my middle name, and that's where I have a little bit of an issue.
It's Michelle.
There's a lot of letters in Michelle. It's M-I-C-H-E-L-L-E. That's so much. That's
Okay, we're going to therapy. Anyways, guys, until next time, as always, we hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah. Bye. Stay safe and stay home if you can.